Dear students, in today's session I am going to tell you some more features of Windows 10. So here I will start with that. I'll show you that how can we right click and we can go to view, and from the view we can make our icons. I mean to say that we can large it, we can make our icons small, and we can make it medium also. So see, I'm making my icons large. What I have to do is I have to right click on the blank desktop area, going to the view, and from the view I will click on this large icon option. See, my icons on the desktop are appearing in a large view. Okay, and observe the change. I will again right click, I'll go to the view, I'll make them small. See students, these are the small icons which are appearing on my window. Okay, again I will right click, I will go to the view, and what I will do, I will make the icons medium. See now students, so these are the methods, three methods we can make our icons large, small and medium. Okay, second thing is students, and there is a very good feature, that is a snap assist. So students, snap assist, I want to tell you that what is the use of this snap assist. So snap assist means the students, suppose I have opened many of the apps in my laptop. So see, Google is there. So what I will do, I will just I'll show you, I'll minimize it and I will drag it to the top. See what I am doing, I'm just dragging it to the top. See now students, now what will happen, see. Okay, now I'll just move it to the left side. See, it is showing me all the apps which I have opened. You can see the snap assist snapshots of all these apps, like Google is already present here, PowerPoint presentation I have opened here. Here I have opened the YouTube. I can click on any of this icon and I will just move towards that. See, suppose this is a YouTube. Okay, so if I will drag the YouTube to the upper side, see on the left side I will just drag it. Now it is showing me PowerPoint. So these are the snap assist, means any app, for example there are multiple apps which I have opened, I will just enlarge it like this and I will try to move it to the upper side. Okay, see, I'm putting my cursor at the top and I'm dragging it towards the up. It will show the snap assist of that application which I have opened. So what we can do is just drag it to the left side and see the change. Now what it is going to show us, it is going to show us the snap assist, means the snapshots of the applications which we have opened. So this is a wonderful feature. Now students, I am going to tell you that what is the use of a window hello features. Okay, so this is a wonderful feature provided by Windows 10. So I'll show you. So I'll take you the presentation of that. Said what is the use of a window hello, just wait, I'm showing you. So now this is a window hello feature. So we will read first the definition. What is the definition? The definition is, this feature uses face and finger recognition software and lets you access your computer by showing your face, fingerprints or iris and make the system more secure. Means you can apply the finger protection, the face protection, and also you can apply the password to your computer. So face, fingerprint or iris, it is providing us, that is Windows 10. So one by one I'll tell you that how can we just access this feature and where this feature is available. So student, I will minimize my presentation, I will put it down on the taskbar. Now students, what we have to do is we just have to click on the start button. So click on this start button, go to the settings. See this setting which is appearing here, I'll click on this setting. Again I'm showing you, I'll click on the start button, I'll go to the settings. See on settings, if I'll go, now here what I will do, I will go to the accounts, because we have to manage our account. So if we want to apply the face protection, password protection or a finger protection, now here this is an interface here which is available. Now we have to go to the sign in options here. So if I'll click on the sign in option, student, here, see now here it is showing us sign in options, like whether we want to give hello face or hello fingerprint, we have to give any pin or security key or password or picture password. So out of these you can apply any of the sign in options and you can just give protection to your laptop, whether you want to give a fingerprint, face protection, pin, any pin you want to set, any password you want to set. Okay, any security key which you want to give or a picture password you want to give, you can set it from here. And what were the steps? On the settings, again I'm going back on the settings. If we will go, so we will go to the accounts. Again I'm showing you, see, like this, going to the settings, from the settings going to the accounts, from the accounts we will click on the sign in options here. See, now there are multiple sign in options are available and we can just protect our laptop or a desktop. Got it, student, if we are having Windows 10. Okay, Now students, one more thing I want to tell you, that I'll tell you that how can you change the date and time settings. Okay, see, suppose here on the extreme right side of the taskbar, if I will click here, I will be able to see the date and time. See, it is showing the time also and the date also. But students, if you want to change the date and time settings, now this is also possible in Windows 10. In any of the operating system it is possible, but in Windows 10 we are talking about. So I'll tell you about Windows 10, how can we change the date and time settings in Windows 10. So students, again what we have to do is we have to go to the we have to click on the start button, we have to go to the settings, clicking on the settings. Now students, here we have to go to the date and time settings. So it is not visible here. So there is a search box also at the top. We can type here date and time settings. Now it is showing us, see, date and time settings. So we will click on this date and time settings. Now here it is, see at the top what it is written, date and time, current date and time it is showing. So we can click here date and time regional formatting. Okay, or we can click here set the date and time manually. So we can also set by clicking on the change button, and we can set the date and time and we can change it. Okay, but our date and time everything is correct, so I don't want to change it. But if you want to change it on your laptop or a desktop, just click on this change button. Okay, so on the control panel this option is also available. That's fine. Now students, if you want to see the notifications which is coming in your laptop or a desktop, that also you can see in Windows 10, and this is another wonderful feature of a Windows 10. So what we can do is here, so we have to click on this notification area. See, on the right side, on the side of the date and time, now this is a notification. 17 notifications are there so far in my laptop, so I am showing it to you. So what we can do is, so we can see the notifications here. So here are multiple notifications available, and we can see them here, and we can open it from here also. And if you want to increase the brightness also, see, this is an option of increasing the brightness. So we can increase the brightness from this slider, but this much is enough for us, so I'm making it 48. Okay, so students, this is a notification area, and here in the collapse window you can see everything: location, battery saver, Bluetooth, night file light, everything, hotspot, aeroplane mode, all the options are available here in what, here in Windows 10. While we click on notification area, we will get all these options. Now students, last topic for today is creating file and folder. Now this is very simple, that how can we create a file and a folder in Windows 10. See, right click on the blank desktop area, click on the new option. From the new option we can click on the folder, so we will be able to create a folder here. Okay, how? Right click, go to the new, click on the folder button, folder option, give a name to your folder. Like suppose I am giving a folder name, that is Devesh. Press enter. After typing the name, press enter. Folder is created here. So if you have to create any file, then right click here, new, any kind of a file, doc file, docs file, ppt presentation, pptx, any kind of a file you can create here. Let's say I want the pptx presentation. So what I will do, I will just open it, or I can open the Microsoft Access database. Everything, every file we can just open it from here, or either it is a text file. Okay, let's open a text file from here by going to the new option. See, I am clicking here. So now this is the file. I will just right click here. I will just right click. This is the file. Now students, wait, it will open. Okay, or just what we can do is, it is taking a time. Okay, there is some problem I think with the speed of the computer. So just wait. I will just right click. Now I will just copy it and I will paste it here within the folder. Okay, so students, see, now what I will do, I will just paste it here. So the file is pasted inside the folder. So this way you can create a folder or a file, and if you want to delete this file, right click and just click on the delete button. Your file will be deleted. So student, this was these are the features of Windows 10. So these features make Windows 10 a powerful operating system. Thank you students.